Hi, I'm Jan Diatri. Have you got a minute? Let's make this. Cinnamon apple bubble up bake. It even sounds happy and scrumptious. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of refrigerated cinnamon rolls, 5 crisp apples, 4 tablespoons of butter, a package of cream cheese that you'll cut into squares, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk. Spread out the cinnamon rolls and cut into 4 sections. Then pop them in the fridge while you prep the rest. Peel the apples, then cut into wedges. Melt the butter, add the apples, and cook until soft and golden brown, then set aside to cool. Now in a bowl, combine the cream cheese with powdered sugar and microwave until softened. Then add the apples to the cream cheese mixture and the cinnamon roll chunks. Gently combine and then pour into a greased baking dish. Cook for 30 minutes, and when done, mix some powdered sugar with water and drizzle the icing right over the top. Now these are bubbles of tasty joy. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.